I'm starving today. Hey kids, so today we're going to talk about how to order at the restaurant. So restaurant ሄደን እንዴት ነው ኦርደር የምናደርገው ምንለው እናያለን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፈርስት ቲንግ ዌትረሷ ስትመጣ ምንድነው የምትለው? What can I get you? What can I get you? So ይሄ ምንድነው? ምን ላምጣላችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, can you repeat it? What can I get you? Nice job. Okay, so እናንተ እንደ ካስተመር ስትሆኑ ደግሞ ምንድነው የምትሉት? ሜኑ ከፈለጋችሁ Can I please have the menu? ማለት ትችላላችሁ። Can you repeat after me? Can I please have the menu? Great job. Okay. So አሁን ቀጣይ ደግሞ ምግብ እፈልጋለሁ ካላችሁ I would like food. I like food. ከዛ የሆነ ምግብ ብንከትበት ፒዛ እናድርገው ለምሳሌ I would like ፒዛ ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። እናንተ ደግሞ እስቲ በአማርኛ ጠይቃችሁ እናንተ ይሄንን ምግብ ፈልጋለሁ በሉ or እኔ እስቲ ሀሳብ ልስጣችሁ ፒዛ ፈልጋለሁ በሉ እንዴት ነው ብትሉት? Okay, great job. I would like pizza ብላችሁ ትናገራላችሁ ማለት ነው። ከዛ ዌትረሷ ደግሞ መልሳ would you like something to drink ብትባሉ የሚጠጣ ነገር ትፈልጋላችሁ ወይ የተባላችሁ ሰው እንዴት ነው የምትመልሱት? I would like, remember? I would like ብላችሁ ትቀጥላላችሁ ማለት ነው። I would like ሻይ ብናደርገው ለምሳሌ I would like tea. Exactly. So አንድ ላይ በሉት እስቲ I would like tea. Alright, great job. I like tea. Okay, so that is how you can order at the restaurant. አሁን ደግሞ እስቲ ፕሊዝ እንጠይቅ። ፕሊዝ እንዴት ነው የምንጠይቀው? Ma'am or miss ብላችሁ ለወንድ ደግሞ sir ብላችሁ መጥራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, miss, can I get the bill? Miss, can I get the bill? ካላችሁ እየጠየቃችሁ ነው ማለት ነው ቢሉ። So, repeat after me. Miss, can I get the bill? Alright, great job. Okay, so that's how you can order at any restaurant. Now, we're back with the challenge questions, okay? Alright, so let's say I'm the waitress, you're the customer, okay? So, I would ask you, what can I get you? What can I get you? So what would you say? Nice! If you say, can I please get the menu? You're doing amazing. Okay. Now, what would you like? If I say, what would you like? How do you answer? Nice! If you say, I would like pizza or I would like a burger, you did amazing again. Okay. What drink would you like? What drink would you like? How do you answer? Okay, if you say, I would like tea or I would like coffee or anything, you're doing amazing. Okay, how do you bill? Now it's bill turn. So how do you ask for a bill? Nice. If you say, Miss, can I get the bill, please? Then that's the right answer. Good job, you guys. So that's all we have for the challenge time. I'll see you in the next video.